What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Salvation Army. Haven't been to one of these in a while. I am in Des Moines, Iowa right now. And yeah, I just stumbled across a Salvation Army. So let's see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, got 50% off white. All white tags on sale. This place is small, but you never know. I'll check the media first since it's right here. See what they got. Anything good? Anything sealed? Doesn't look like it. I don't know what this is. That might be something. Never heard of it. And we do have a couple sealed things here in America. I like that. Ooh, sealed CD. Okay. Hey, you never know. You can't judge a book by its cover. A white tag. I don't know how much DVDs are here normally, but that one's half off. Anything else? Whoa. I do not know. We'll look around and see what we find in the media section. So I found the first winner, America, the Story of Us. It's brand new. I think that is Barnes & Noble sticker. So that's fine. It's yellow, so it's not half off, but I don't know how much these are. Here it is on Amazon. 5,500 rank, meaning it'll sell pretty darn fast for about 14 bucks. There's actually one person selling it for 14. Amazon's on at 25, so I think it'll sell closer to $25. So I'm gonna grab it. Even at $14, there's still about $5 profit or so in this, so not bad. Keep looking around. All right, just on the other side, there's a whole bunch of VHS tapes, and we found 3 good ones here. I love the children's VHS tapes, especially Barney. Always sells really well. I'll pop prices up here on the screen for you guys. I think they're $1 each, but I'm not sure. Barney's Magical Musical Adventure, Paws, Claws, Feathers, and Fins. I won't pop this price up because nobody's on the listing. So I'm getting it just because if it's $1, I might be able to sell for 15. I don't know. Maybe I'll end up leaving it. Yeah, you know what? Let's just end up leaving it. And then this one I picked up at another Goodwill in Minnesota, so I know it sells well. It sells for about 15 bucks or so. So we'll snag both the Barneys, and I'll leave that one behind. All right, they got a whole bunch of mugs here, and one type of mug to look out for are these Starbucks mugs. Not so much this basic kind, but sometimes the ones from different countries can do pretty well. The ones that actually look like regular mugs. This is at $2.49, which is a good price for yourself, but I mean, you might be able to get some money out of this, but not much at all, so I'll definitely leave that behind. See if anything else pops out to me down this shelf here. There's a whole bunch, but nothing good, I don't think. I think we're gonna be heading downstairs here. There's a whole downstairs that might have some cool stuff. All right, I found the electronics section. It's not very big, but you never know. You got a Minnesota Vikings clock. What is this? A remote possibilities. I have no idea what this is. 2002 Hasbro, so it's got to be a toy for $2.49. Oh, there we go. I have no idea how it works. Might be worth something, but we'll leave it. I don't want to look into it right now. Not seeing anything else in the electronics section, but if I see something, you guys will see it too. All right, so we are down the stairs at the toy aisle, and if you notice, they have a lot of this same toy right here. Got to Glow Baby Fairy Finder. They're all at $8.69, which seems very expensive for something like this. It's probably why they have so many of them. I have no idea. And they have a whole bunch of these. What are these, like the rubber band bracelets from back in the day? 25 cents. It's not a bad price if you want some rubber band bracelets. That Winnie the Pooh kite down there might actually be worth something. We'll scan that. I've sold lots of kites for some reason. They just end up being worth something. And then these board games up here. Not seeing any of the hidden gems yet. Nothing sealed either, but that's okay. It doesn't need to be sealed. Yeah, don't think I see something there. There's a cute painting of some puppies, but not a great toy section. This is sealed. Chip 'n Dale's Christmas Treasures card game. It's $2.49, maybe? I don't know. We'll scan it in together and see if it's worth something. All right, we have the Amazon seller app open. I'm gonna hit the little camera icon and get that barcode up. And there it is. only selling for $9.08. The fees are actually really low, so you'd make $4.41 and they're asking $2.49, so you'd make under $2. Not worth it. Definitely gonna leave that behind. If it was like 50 cents, I'd probably grab it to make $4, but not for that. You know, I'm curious about these. There's so many of them. I bet they're not even on Amazon. They are from what year? Looks like early 2010s. It doesn't say. Let's scan it and see. All right. So they actually have a really good rank. Selling super fast. Lots of reviews. Only for $9.79 though. These were $1 each. I'd buy every single one of them, but at $8.79, nothing there. I'll leave them. So I scanned in 2 kites. We found a Disney Princess Diamond kite and the Winnie the Pooh kite. Neither one are on Amazon, so they're gonna get left behind, and we're just gonna have to look around a little harder. We gotta find something here, something more than some VHS. What is this? This looks like it's from Star Wars. That is creepy looking. $3.49. Comes with all these attachments. Is it like a Build-A-Bear? No, but there is a barcode, so I'll try hitting up the... Oh, it's a pet costume. A Bantha pet costume. I guess I'll scan it in. We'll see if it's worth anything. Alright, so this Star Wars pet costume here, I brought it over to the side. It is selling for $3.49, and I scanned it into Amazon. And because Halloween's coming up, it has a great... Well, I don't think I'd call that a great rank, but it's not bad in pet products. And look at that price, $70. That's wild. Granted, mine's used, so I think it'd be closer to $40, $50, but at $3.49, that is a steal of a deal. The only issue is I don't know the size. I assume the size is whatever I scanned the barcode at, and it brought me to the correct listing. Maybe it's universal. Oh, I think it said one size. Yeah, one size. So there we go. We'll snag this, which is probably the weirdest thing I've ever grabbed. And $3.49, hopefully $40, $50. Sweet. Alright, just found another Star Wars pet costume. This looks completely wild. You dress your dog up in an AT-AT for $7.59. I'll stick it in the cart for now, if it fits. And here it is. The only issue, there's nobody on the listing, but it has 3 stars, and the other one had, I think, 3.5 stars. Maybe because it doesn't fit the dogs well. Maybe that's why they're at the thrift store. I don't know. But I think I'm going to take the gamble on them, try and sell them for $50 before Halloween, get them shipped off, and hope they fit whoever's dog they buy them for. I'm going to have to open this up and make sure all the pieces are in there, but I think it's all just one piece, so that'd be really nice. Pretty wild. Star Wars dog costumes, who would have guessed? Alright, so Ashley found this Wine Lines ID tag thing, and nobody's on the Amazon listing right now, so I had to look into this website called Camel, and it shows you the price history of certain items. And let's see, you know what? There it is right there. So Amazon was on the listing at $6.99, but they've been sold out. That little ... line means they've been sold out since 2019, so they're not coming back in stock. You click on the third parties here, and it goes as high as $10, $15 at some points. Some people sold them for over $20, so you could probably get about that $10 to $15 range. And they are selling here for only $1.49. So I think conservatively you could probably sell it for $12.95, $13.95 and make $5 or $6 profit. So I think we're gonna grab it. Easy money. So I decided to check all the costumes, see if there's any more hidden dog costumes in here. But I found this Power Rangers for $9.49. You can see the original price on it of $15. Sadly, it's restricted on Amazon. Has an okay rank. It's probably will sell before Halloween. Definitely will sell before Halloween for $50. But I can't sell it because it is restricted. That happens a lot on Amazon, so sometimes I can't sell things I want to. So I was going up the stairs to head back up, and I noticed this back room over here. Oh, it's huge back here. Got a whole bunch of shoes and clothing. And I think that's another room back there. Oh, I almost left all of this. We'll see if we can find anything cool back here. Maybe a cool hat. I doubt I'll find any good shoes. I haven't really been able to find any shoes in a long time, so I don't really look. But see if we can find any jerseys or any cool hats first. Downstairs here, there's this cool NFL Browns satin jacket here. It's almost like a starter jacket. It's 15 bucks though. Kind of high, but it is kind of nice. I do like it. The Browns aren't a great team or anything. They're doing okay this year. I don't know, $15? And I don't like how it doesn't have a brand up here. Normally it'll either be Nike or Starter or Reebok or something. Not this one.